Hi everyone, this is the third part of Crafty Kitty's Hocus Pocus challenge. In this video I am going to show you how I put together the revamped swag or centerpiece that I created for my Halloween display, along with the treats that I made in the last video. Please be sure to check out Crafty Kitty's channel as well as the playlist of the other participants in this challenge. I will have both linked down below in the description box. And now, stay tuned for the final result. Here is my completed tablescape for the third part of the Hocus Pocus challenge. As you can see, I've added 3 target birds to this display, and I actually picked these up this year. This one, and then this one, and then this one. I was so happy to find them because, as you can see, this one has a reddish orange outfit on that matches perfectly with the dark reddish and orange colors in my centerpiece that I revamped. And their faces are an off-white color, the 2 outer ones, which tie in with the off-white flowers that I have in the centerpiece. And then I have the little pumpkin cakes sitting on these black and gold cupcake stands. These actually belong to my daughter. I gave them to her as a present, but I think they tie in perfectly with the black of the candelabra and the gold in the leaves. And then I have decorated a couple of them using a piping tip, and then a couple of them I've made look like a jack-o'-lantern face. And I didn't have the confectioner's powdered swerve that I normally would use, so I powdered my own swerve, but I don't think I got it quite smooth enough because the frosting came out a little lumpy. But I took some Lily's chocolate chips and used them to make the jack-o'-lantern faces, and then I just cut a couple of small pieces off of a Lily's chocolate bar to make the stem of the jack-o'-lantern. And I think this turned out to be really, really cute. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed seeing my tablescape, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the button down below. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And once again, I'd like to thank Crafty Kitty for hosting this 3-part challenge. It was a lot of fun to do. I look forward to watching the playlist once it is available. And I look forward to seeing all of you next time. I hope you're all happy and healthy. Please take care.